Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's session, I'm going to be telling you on how you can create and sell an online course. I'm going to be telling you on how you can create and sell an online course. Number one, pick a topic. You can be good at any skill. You can be good in web design, you can be good in coding, and you also can be good in marketing. Any of these three I just mentioned, if you are good at these three or you are good at one, just pick one of them and work on the course. Number two, plan your course. That is, outline lessons step by step. Number three, create content. That is, record video, write notes, or make slide. Number four, choose a platform. You can upload to Udemy, Teachable, or you can upload to your own website. Number five, set price, free or paid depending on your audience. Number six, promote. You can share on social medias, email links, ads, or any other social media you can use to promote your course. Number seven, get paid. Earn from courses, bundle, or subscription. These are the top 7 ways you can create and sell your online course. Don't forget, keep it simple. Teach what you know, package it, and sell online. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment for more tutorials.